multiplication problem. Patty buys 7 juice boxes a month for lunch. If one juice box costs $2.79, how much does Patty spend on juice each month? Okay, now here's what I want you to do. Let's write an equation, and then it says you have to use an area model to solve. So let's put an equation right here. How many does she buy? 7 groups of $2.79. Okay, that's the problem we're trying to solve, and that's going to be for a month. Yeah, I don't think maybe you should. I think this is about like buying a Gatorade. It's pretty expensive. Drink water instead. It's free.
Yes.
Okay, so area model. I'm not sure that's big enough. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger than that. So 7 groups of, how many ones do I have? 2 ones, 7 tenths, and 9 hundredths. Now, block 1, you did great on your exit ticket yesterday. I tried to teach it better than I did for block 2, 3, and 4, and I couldn't top it. You guys did the best. If you were gone yesterday, make sure you check the block 1 basket over here because you've got an exit ticket most likely. Okay? All right, what's 2 times 7 ones?
14 ones.
14 ones. How do I write that in standard form?
14, sorry.
14. That's okay. You're a step ahead of us. 7 times 7.
49 tenths.
49 tenths. Hadley, how do I write that in standard form?
4.9.
4.9. Very good. And 7 times 9. 63 hundredths. Zero decimal 63. Okay, how are we adding these?
14.
Plus 4.9. A lot like your sprint today, wasn't it? So I'm changing which place value here?
The ones.
The ones. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 18.9 plus 63 hundredths. Okay, what place value am I changing now? The tenths and the hundredths, really, right? Because I'm adding a 3 to the hundredths. I see regrouping.
Yeah.
Table 5. Help me out here. What is 6 plus 9? 15. And if I regroup to the next place value, my 8 becomes a 9. And what do I do with the 3 in the hundredths place? Just add it on. Okay, so that's a month. Each month. Now, what if I wanted to figure out how much for 10 months? Oh, this is easy. I can just do $19.53 times 10. Anything times 10? Add a 0 to the end. So my answer will be,
19.
now you don't have 530 cents. That won't make any sense. Will this make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, what did I do with my decimal when I multiplied it by 10?
You moved it over.
One place value. So it's $195.30 that you could have saved if you would have drank water in 10 months.
Yes.
Okay, now a little more complicated. Let's figure out a whole year. Okay, so I need your attention, boys and girls. You're starting to talk. $19.53 times 12. Can you do that? Well, first of all, let's count the digits to the right of the decimal. How many? A 5 and a 3. Write a 2 and circle it. Okay, get this problem written down. I'm going to call on tables to help me. You know how to do this. Table 4. 3 times 2. 5 times 2. 9 times 2 plus 1. 2 times 1 plus 1 is, okay, cross off your regrouping. All right, now this seems pretty simple. 3 times 1, 5 times 1, 9 times 1, and 1 times 1. Just make sure you line up your numbers correctly. So for a whole year, table 3, help me add. 6 plus 0, 0 plus 3, 9 plus 5, regroup the 1, 9 plus 3, 12, plus 1. Okay, now where do I place my decimal? Table 1, where do I place my decimal?
Between the 5 and the 5 and the 9.
Okay, look down here. My numbers are 2, 3, 4, 3, 6. Where do I place my decimal?
Between the 4 and the 3.
How do you know that?
Because on the 2, I just had it.
2 over?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, great. I'm sure that's right.
Yeah.